Hi everyone. This is a quick review for Shopify app to integrate it to HAJEX Bolt, which is a software where you can have your shipping labels prepared, get codes, and be able to integrate it with any of these companies, FedEx, Whiterun, Canpar, etc. To get started, the first step would be for you to install the app from the Shopify store. Once you are done, you would see something like this, and you would have to register so you can get email and password, right? I already have an email and password. I'm going to use that one to connect. Let's say we go. Once the connection is established, then any orders that are coming into the Shopify would automatically get pushed into Bolt software, right? And let's wait for the connection. All right, so it's connected now, and you have to put in the pickup location, your full address. You can put in there. You can put in any information where you are going to be shipping your packages from. Second thing would be all your products will automatically be fetched into the app itself, so you can manage them in a better way. So one of a good feature here is that you can click on any of the product that is already in your store, and you can select the variant, or if it's just a simple product, then you can just put in the package information. If there is a product that goes in 3 boxes, 2 boxes, have different weights, different descriptions, you can add and remove as many packages under it, right? Just like this. Okay. Once you receive an order, let's place an order and see how it works. Before that, you're going to be able to get to the login of HAJEX Bolt, which is something like this, right? This is the ship page where you have you put in your shipper information, delivery address, you have your products here. This is basically something synced with your store, or you can manually add them. You can also make bundles. You can have the length, width, height, and weight of each package. You can click and you can put them here in a faster, quick way. And then you can put in the addresses. I have some information that I already put in there. Let's say, for example, you can expand it using this little button here. And speed dials, I put in some speed dials. From Montreal, a shipment is going to Langley, BC. We're gonna be doing it package, but we're also gonna have option for pallets. So we wanna see both prices for a package and pallet. If you want a signature, you want residential insurance for the packages or whole shipment overall. If you want to go by package, you can put in the information of insurance next to each package. For now, I'm going to just close all of these options to get quotes faster, and just go with maybe one of the package. Let's say 18, 12, and the weight is 10 pounds. Right, we can say a box and pallet price at the same time. We request a code. It's one piece, because if you enable pallet, it's gonna ask you for some extra information like PCs or other technical information. So we request the code, and the system is going to fetch all the prices from your carriers or the carriers which are already integrated to the system, right? So if you see there is via Bolt, that means it's a carrier that is coming from HAJEX Bolt itself. It's our discounted prices, our arrangement with these companies, right? But I'll show you how you can have your own accounts. Like right now, you can see 2 different accounts. Probably one is your own username, password, you can integrate it. And then one is from Bolt itself, right? So you can select it and you simply press on submit order. This way it will go and give you the final confirmation. If you like it, if everything is good, you can pay from your balance. You can pay by credit. It's our account. If it's your own account, you technically won't have to pay anything. This part is only if you're using our account. You accept it, it will book the shipment right away, and you can print the labels and book pickup, right? Let's go into shipments page to see how it looks. These are some of the sample shipments which were booked before, Canada Post and a few others. We go into HAJEX carriers. Basically, this page is showing you the shipments that you book through our accounts. This is going to be your own account. This is trucker. If you know someone who has trucks and they want to just have they want to work with you, but through a system like this, then they can also be part of it. It's also free. You go into invoices, all your invoices going to be on this page, right? You can download your invoice. It's going to be something like this. You can also download it in PDF format. Your labels will be there too. They're something like this. So I think there is something wrong with this at the moment. Let's see, we're gonna try to download it. All right, so this is more like a LTL label, right? We're gonna try to see some label from parcel courier. Right, this one. Let's check this one. Yeah, something wrong with it. So we'll look into it. Moving forward, the pickups, you can arrange a pickup by going into this page and just click on the arrange pickup button. Then you have tracking. If you are shipping various packages, you can see the status of each package on the side. This is still a test account, so you're gonna see all of them are creation, but on a real account you will see the real status of each shipment. If the package has been delivered, it should be green and saying delivered. If it's in transit, it should be orange or some other color. Same way, you have a products page. You can have all your products for easy and quick fetch. Like here, these 4 are here because there are 4 products put in here. You can edit them, you can put a picture if you want, just to save you time. You can make bundles of various products. If you sell like 5 or 6 products as one bundle, you are able to put them here, and then you can call that bundle using this option. Normally it's more like you click on one thing and it adds more than one. Right now I think only this one is doing more like 4 packages. This is 111. So we're gonna delete all of them and test this one. There, 4 of them, right? So this is the one. So next we will go into marketplaces. If you want to connect to any of these, right now they are still in development. Only WooCommerce and Shopify are the ones you could be able to integrate to for now. Orders will automatically come to this orders page here. Once you're integrated, you're going to be able to see that orders are coming into this page. And then you can just click on ship now and it will automatically fill in all the information, even the products from your website. And then you just have to request a code and book it. Tracking code will also automatically be pushed back to whichever marketplace it's coming from. If it's Shopify, WooCommerce, the code will go back to the same platform. So let's go on the website and test website and place an order and see if the order gets fetched on our orders page here. We're going to be able to add this to cart, checkout. I'll put some dummy information here. Maybe I should put something better. Yeah. All right, let's see if it works. Order is being processed. The customer places an order. It should technically be in the orders page now. In unfulfilled orders, right here. All right, we see there is an order here. All right, okay, it's good. It's the order that we just placed. Now we need to go and check in the system if it was able to fetch it. There is one point saying notification that there is one order. We're gonna go into carrier, come back into orders page, and here you go. Any new orders, you will see a background color just like this. This is the order that we just received. and you have the order ID, product name, the length, width, height, everything that's coming from the store, the price that the customer was able to see on the shipping page. You can also show the shipping prices on your checkout page. You can fetch them directly from Bolt and show it to your clients. This will give you a lot of opportunity to save money and to show real-time prices. Click on ship now and it will fill in all the information that we put. As you can see, the same information. If you want to send notification to the customer when you are done shipping or booking the labels, you can enable this. You want to send a label or information to yourself, you can click it. This will also send you the invoice, the shipping label on your email address. All right, we request the code by clicking here. Attention, you can write test here and request a code. Still something is missing. All right, which is good. I think it's good now. We can go. Something is still not correct. All right, what are we missing now? Okay, all right. I will just put this here and go with it. This is the information. I will put the same information here. A lot of checks just to make sure the information is correct. Loading rates, we're getting price for this package size and weight, and we will see how it goes. Okay, so we got $7, and the rest of the details given on this I thing. Residential charge, sanitary charge, fuel charge, freight charge, insurance charge, and then there is TPS TVK, which is GST and QST in Quebec. This is own account basically, and this is via Bolt, right? Like I mentioned, submit order, we already went through it. So if you have your own account and you want to connect it, it's very simple. You go into carriers and you simply click add your account and you select which carrier you want to attach. For example, you want to attach FedEx, you click here. You want to attach Canpar, you click here. And then you would be able to put in the information of whatever the carrier needs to be able to integrate it. Like Canada Post needs some information from you, what account name you want to show. You can say my own account, right? You can say not Bolt, like free account or whatever you want to write it, because this is basically your account and you're just using our tool to be able to book shipment, book labels, and have more accounts, save time, and be able to do it faster. Then you put your username, password, customer number, contract ID, whatever this is the information that the carrier will tell you what is it that you need to be able to connect. We already know because we have accounts with them, so we have an idea what kind of information we would be needing. So client secret ID, account number, and client ID and account name. This is for you to write from FedEx. So we go back, we check Dan Ross, account name, same thing, billing account, password, and email. This is what Dan Ross needs. So there will be more accounts we are going to be adding here, and UPS and UPS is there too. Yeah, so yeah, that's the way you can do it. Next is payments. If you have any shipment that is being booked through us, through our account, then you would be able to make the payment through credit card online. You can make it through Interact Transfer or many other ways. Your invoices and everything will basically be showing up on this page, right? And it will just show you exactly how much was the cost. The amount you would see in the shipping is no commission, means this is exactly the cost or the bill that we get from the carrier, regardless of our volume. And once we get the final bill from the carrier, you would be able to see the bill. Obviously, we will censor the information that's not relevant to you or from our other clients for privacy and confidentiality. But you would be able to have peace of mind that we don't have any commission, and this is exactly the charge that came from the carrier. Aside from that, the prices because there's no commission, would most probably be lowest in the market. So we want to keep the idea that there need to be a system that's cost effective for small businesses, and be able to do most of the things that medium and large businesses are able to do or build their own softwares. We want to do the same thing but in minimum cost. So right now we're not charging any fee for any business who does shipping less than $1,000. And if you're doing shipping over $1,000, well, then there is a fee of $99. For that too is on basis of the volume. So means if you're shipping $1,000 plus, you're going to be paying $95 per month, just because the more you ship, there will be more work for us, because we have to check each of the bill, and we have to have someone checking each of your shipment. The bills, whenever the bill comes in, our billing department has to make sure that when you booked it, it was booked according to certain specification, let's say $38.93, and the bill comes out $38.93. If it's less than the bill, we will update it, and it will reflect. If it's $32, it will be $32 here. You will be saving money there. If it's higher than 38, and if it goes up $50, then there is a difference of $12 or so. Then you will also see there is an increase in the final bill amount. And what's the reason behind that increase will also be given in your invoice in the notes section. So, and then we have more features coming in where you can also pass on these orders once you book some package, or even if you receive an order and you want to pass it to a fulfillment center that you own or someone else has it, they process your orders, then you can also manage all of that. It's a separate module, but it's soon going to be integrated into the system within probably 30 to 60 days. And right now it's 8th of August. That's about it, and thank you for watching this video.